All right, Conrad and Nestor, do you guys want to go next?
Let's do it.
Yeah, I think we'd be happy to. All right, I'll just go ahead and share. Are you guys able to see this slideshow all right?
Yeah.
All right, well, fantastic. I'll just jump into it. Good morning, everyone. My name's Conrad. I'm working with Nestor, and we've been working on a new project to help streamline the new employee onboarding process. So we were all new employees once, and it can be kind of an enigma when you join the IAC. You know, there's all these new accounts you have to set up. You have to figure out Box, IAC, payroll, Chronos. I mean, how hard was the new student survey to find? We all had trouble with that. You know, not to mention, you know, some of us still aren't exactly sure how assessments work. It's kind of a convoluted task. There's a lot of basic things that go into that you really have to pick up over time that would be a lot easier if you just learned a little bit at the beginning. And I mean, safety is a huge thing that we cover maybe once a semester that I think every IAC student should be aware of right when they join. So all this to say, there's a lot you need to do at the IAC to get caught up to speed, and getting caught up to speed can be kind of tough sometimes. So that's what Nestor and I focused on. We focused on making this onboarding process just a little bit easier for new students.
Yeah, so the question becomes really, how can we streamline this and make sure that everybody's on the same page on our processes, our programs, and all of that? We decided to make some video tutorials and also some slides on really the whole onboarding process. So this is mainly meant for new students, but it can also be useful for current IAC students. And this is because, you know, in the past year that I've been here, we've added a lot of stuff. For example, we made a LinkedIn page. We started a new Slack channel. There's new requirements with the IAC database. So there's a lot of stuff that we all have to, you know, be on top of. And it's hard enough for us that are already students here. So you can only just imagine how hard it is for new students. So we figured that the easiest way to streamline this would be to make some videos and some slides.
Yeah, so in terms of objectives, actual deliverables, we were going to create a set of videos covering a range of topics. And Nestor is going to get into those topics in just a second here. And after we've made these videos, kind of vetted them a little bit, make sure that they're, you know, good quality, IAC standard, we're going to upload these to YouTube. And yeah, for those of you who don't know, we have a YouTube channel. Still working on developing it. We haven't uploaded our videos yet, but I'm getting ahead of myself here. So I'm going to turn it over to Nestor, and he's going to go over a few of the videos that we've made, a few more that we're working on, and really where we're at with the project.
Yeah, so this list on the left is the basic videos that they're the basic topics that our videos cover. So from the top, it's the IAC intro, kind of what we do and how we do it. Then the assessments, how our assessments work, kind of giving new students just a brief overview of how the entire process works. Then safety, you know, we all have to stay safe. So that video covers that. Then we also did some more administrative programs that we also used. So I covered how to use Chronos, so how to use your timesheet, how to make sure that you get that entered in correctly. IAC resources that are on Box and also on the IAC database. We also cover how to edit your direct deposit information in your payroll. And then a big one that seems like everybody struggles with this one is the entry survey. So to streamline that, we also made a video for that specific topic. And then we also cover how to use Box, kind of how all the files are organized, and also how to use the assessment scheduler. And lastly, we also cover how to use Slack and how to change your notification and preferences to make sure that you stay up to date with all the information. So again, like I said earlier, this isn't just meant for new students. If any of us are struggling with any of these topics, we're all free to reference these videos. And both Conrad and I acknowledge that we were both onboarded like about a year ago. So we might have missed something, but we think that this list on the left is quite comprehensive. and it should cover most of what new students should need to know.
So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what these videos look like. The one on the left is a video that I made that kind of introduces the IAC and some basic topics. Huge shout out to Blake for actually putting together a lot of the resources that we used. So thank you for that, and thank you for the help. And then on the left, you can see there's Nestor talking about direct deposits and whatnot. Again, he mentioned that this is not just for new students. Going back through and watching the videos, there were actually a lot of cool things that I had forgotten about that we have access to and are capable of doing. So we highly encourage you guys to watch these videos, just because it's a great reminder of all these things that we should be doing proficiently anyways.
So at this point, we've recorded all of our videos and they're on our box. So in terms of next steps, we just want to do like a final quality check, likely with Blake or Julie, and then go ahead and upload those to YouTube. So any new students can gain access to them through there. Then we're thinking of kind of doing a trial by fire for the new hires next semester. So we kind of want them to just go through our training program and just ask questions about where they're seeing roadblocks, where they're having hiccups, and adjust our videos accordingly. And then lastly, if we adjust them, just continue to make new videos as we see fit.
All right, do you guys have any questions for us? We will let you guys know when the videos are uploaded to YouTube, and hopefully you guys can start watching them then and giving us feedback. But yeah, in the meantime, is there any questions about our project or anything like that?
So do you guys have some of the videos completed already?
Yeah, so this list right here, everything on the left are the videos that we've completed. We just haven't uploaded them to YouTube yet.
Gotcha. Okay, I missed that. Thanks.
Yeah. Oh, good question.
Just be sure that you're not giving away any private information or anything in the YouTube videos.
Sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't have any question. I just want to thank you guys for doing this. I still don't know where the survey is, honestly.
Yeah, well, Tofik, hopefully you can be one of the first people to review these videos.
I would love to do that. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. That's super helpful.
All right.
Yeah, thank you guys. I don't know. We've also been working on, Michael has been working on assessment lead checklist as well. So we're just trying to make sure everybody has all the information they need to get all the tasks done that we're trying to add. So like the AR tracker that we have and things like that. We're just trying to be comprehensive and make sure everybody gets all the information and nobody slips through the cracks. So this is a good step in that direction.